Greetings from the day. We are from Game Services and we are the authorized distributor for Lighthouse Worldwide Solution USA product range. And today we will go for a small video for the Solair series of particle counters. Normally, these are the kind of instruments which we deal in, which is Solair 3100, which is available right here with us, okay, as well as Solair 3350 with us. Okay, one is 1 CFM of machine and another is 100 LPM of machine. See how it is compact, lightweight. Okay, so I'll quickly go through the accessories which are included in the instrument. These are the accessories. Along with these accessories you will get certificate also. Okay, so these are the isochronic probe, is a USB cable, is a USB pen drive having operation manual and the software download instructions, thermal printer rolls, also some of the wavelength tubes. Okay, this Solair 3100 will come along with this power adapter. Okay, you can find the details here, which is recently received. You can have, this is an exhaust, it's a PIC connector for this is Ethernet connectivity, this is RS485 connectivity, this is USB connectivity, this is for pocket MCA calibration, and this is USB connectivity, and these are the temperature and humidity, differential pressure, whatever the analog sensors you want to integrate, you can integrate. This is works on 24 volt DC, and this is a special connector. Okay, I'll show you later. This is the back side of 3350. Okay, here is the information. Okay, this is an exhaust having fan peak connector, same as that of Solair 3100. This is the same connections on the back side of 3350. Okay, but this works on directly 230 volt. Okay, see. Okay, the similar accessories are comes with these instruments. Okay, but additional fuse is also there in this. Okay, so this is quite double the capacity which you can see. Okay, this is 100 LPM starting from 0.3 micron, and this is 1 CFM starting from 0.3 micron. We'll start the instrument by switching on. Okay, just push. Okay, so we'll continue again, and this is the front view of Solair 3100. We shall continue 3350 model also. Okay, but the UI user interface is similar, so no changes are there. Okay, except this is 1 CFM and 3350 is 100 liters per minute. So both of the instrument is connected with zero count filter, because this is an office. You can have, this instrument comes with purge filters like this. Okay, along with these accessories which I have informed you earlier. Okay, so let's start up as soon as possible. This is the printer assembly of both the instruments. It comes on the front side. On off switch is also just power plug in, plug in, start, push to on, push to off, simple. Okay, we shall go in detail about these instruments. So this is how you start up the instrument. Okay, this is the location menu. If you want the location to be automatically increased after the sampling is completed, you just have to press on this. So after this location is completed, you will get another location selected by default. And this is a recipe menu. Okay, if there are number of list of recipe like grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, you can just easily load it, or you can directly interlink that recipe with the location that I'll show you later. Okay, recipe is nothing but a presets. Okay, so let's start first with this menu. This is the location which is currently selected, locations LOC 002. This is the date and time. Okay, now it is charged there is no battery, so it is in charging mode, not charging mode, but it is plugged in mode. This is micron size channel. This indicates there is a limit. Okay, sorry. You can have differential, cumulative, whatever you want to see in the, like this way. You can have, this is counts only. Okay, you want in this way. Okay, this is for analog size channels. Okay, you can start and stop from here also, this, or else from here also. Okay, this is the recipe, or the sampling is to be going started. Okay, we shall go in details. This is a size channel you want to select. If you want to deselect, you can have a deselection of 1 micron or 3 micron like this, and you can go back. So it will give you option to clear the data. I'll clear it. Okay, now you can see there is no 3 micron. Okay, if you want 3 micron, you just have to simple. Now you can get all the data. Now there is no analog channels, but you can have set this analog channel, and you can get maximum minimum units also for selections. Okay, whatever you want, you can have selections. Okay, the analog channels like this way. Okay, now simply we'll start with the simple cycles. 00 means it will not stop. Okay, so we'll change to 1. Delay, I don't want it right now. A hold, I don't want it. Just 30 seconds is enough, or 20 seconds is enough for doing sampling. Okay, just simple. If you want to change in liters, meter, feet cube, you can change. Okay, the volume. Okay, this is the setting menu. On the main screen you can find these things. This is automatic, manual, beep mode, concentration mode, cumulative, differential, raw counts, normalized counts, feet cube, meter cube counts. Okay, this is the limit you want to set. If you don't want to set a limit, you can deselect. Okay, to clear the data, you want to change the data, date and time. Okay, DD, MM, YY format, whatever time format. Brightness increase and decrease likewise. volume. You want auto start, differential cumulative zoom, one channel, 1 second pump startup. Okay, likewise you can set. You can change the language also from this menu. If you want to realign the display, you can have a alignment display. For communication, printer output. Once the sampling is finished, you can have selection of this. On alarm, you can have, if you want the print reverse, you can have this menu as well as this print instructions. Okay, you want to save the data in USB, you can have. You want differential count also, you can have like this way. Okay, this is the security power on. If you want the instrument to be switched on and it will give the passcode, then it will be on during power on conditions. Or you want no one to change the configuration, so you can have a passcode on this. Okay, right now it is visible, so it is sorry. This is the service menu. Okay, it is especially for Lighthouse executive or service representative. This is the locations. If you want the location name to be added, you can add it here. Say for example PWD 1 2 3 4 5, like this way. You can have. If you want this recipe to be checked, you can have this. Okay, or else you can have new. For example, I'm adding particle current. I don't want 3 micron. I don't want this. Just 20 seconds is enough for me for testing. I want this is okay. This, for example, I want 1000. I want recipe, this location to be added. If I want another location to be selected, I can select like this, for example, and add. So whatever you want this print thing. So now you are loaded. Whenever you switch on the machine, you just have to select the locations. Say for example this, and press yes. So everything is loaded. Let's start here. Okay, I'll make some particles if I want to change some particles. Okay, or it's okay. Okay, now the sampling is completed. See, it is giving move to location this. So I press yes, location 3 is selected. So that's all for Solair 3100. Now quickly we will move to 3350, and in the same features, like see, you can see the same thing. Okay, UI is definitely the same. Okay, so I'll quickly simple just by sampling. Okay, let's sample only 20 second only. Okay, sorry, 30 seconds, it's okay. So okay, 0.05. Let's check. Oh, it's taking. Okay, back. Everything is okay. Power supply. So that's all for today's. Thank you very much